Let's see how to add pop-ups to your website. So first, we're going to go to this Elements button right here. And then here in the interactive, we can choose these light boxes in here. It's welcome button, subscription, promotions, or contacts, whatever you want for a pop-up. Like for example, we're having a welcome button here or something like that. Either this announcement or promotion, let's say something like this video feature. I'm going to add it to the site. And then we can edit it through pressing this. You can change the video in it. And when you press here, you're going to set triggers. And you can name your light box to a video feature, for example, video feature. And you can say you can automatically display your light box on page or no. Let's say no. And then how does the light box close? Do you want like an X icon over here or just a close button over here? Depends on you, but I want to have like an X icon. But when you press this yes here, it's gonna say which pages is it on, like homepage, book online, portfolio, and select all pages for your visitors to see these pop-ups. For example, let's just say home, and we can say for 2 seconds, we can display how many seconds. We can set schedules for when the visitors will see this pop-up. And then here you can also edit this. You can add some text on your triggers. You can mm, change its layout. Where do you want to put it? You can design your pop-ups here. You can change the videos. You can have some images right there, and we can manage the light boxes. It's located in the site pages and menu here in light boxes. You can freely edit this one here. You can rename this, or you can edit this. And then when you're done, let's click preview. It's going to look like this. And when we close it, it's going to go back to the site. But also when we're going to publish this one and then view our site, first it's gonna be the site that they're seeing. But when they scroll there, it's gonna pop up based on the seconds we've put. It's 10 seconds, right? And there this is gonna show. And this is the exit button to go back to the site. And that's it. That's how to add pop-ups to your website. See you soon!